Hey guys, Dustin Reacts back with another reaction video. Today, Dance Gavin Dance, Man of the Year, off of the Tree City Sessions 2 live. So I actually did see this whenever it came out. I had paid to watch it. It was so good. And now they released just this one on YouTube to watch again. And I thought, let's react to it. Let's talk about it because I think it's really cool to hear them live, and it's really cool to see how they dance, and like they're entertainers through and through. It's more than just the sound. It's who they are as people too. We really connect to the personalities in the band too. I feel like I don't know if this will get taken down or not, just because, but I don't own this. This is Rise Records, okay? I don't own this. We're just talking about it. So beautiful, and like the production on this is nuts. Like, I don't know, like I love the music they put in between the songs. It's so good. That Ferris wheel looks sick. I love Ferris wheels, by the way. Let me know in the comments below if you like Ferris wheels.
Eyes down, don't you gaze on others. They know mine.
Why does Tillian always look so good? His fashion is nuts. Like, literally sounds like it did in studio, you know? It's crazy how they sound so good live. Look at Will. I don't want to interrupt this, but I've seen old videos whenever Tillian was not with Dance Gavin Dance, and he looks so different now. He was like a chubby looking guy with glasses and just doesn't look like he looks right now. It's just crazy to see the difference, you know? It gives me hope. He sounds the exact same! I love Ness is just going nuts. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. John Mess literally he just sounds like that all the time. Like, studio, no studio. He could be walking through the park just screaming like that, and it just sounds the exact same. No production needed. Same with Tillian too. Usually John Mess doesn't dance or do anything live. He just kind of stands there awkwardly. But in Tree City Sessions 2 live, he definitely tries a lot harder. I don't know if somebody told him he needs to try harder to move because he was like moving a fuck ton. And it's so obvious and blatant and it's hilarious to watch him just move around. And then you got Tillian in the back doing this. I did see a comment and it was like when your lawnmower won't start, and then he's just fucking. But this is the best part of Man of the Year right here. This is the closest thing to a breakdown, so to speak, that Dance Gavin Dance has, and I love it. This is so good. That's my favorite part of the whole Mothership album, right there.
Filled with regret, alone in the
That's
end.
another thing I love about this song in particular is that it's just such a good mix of like the pace changes so much. It's so nice. Takes you on a ride. I love watching John. I feel like I'm guilty of watching John the whole time. So good. The way they harmonize. Oh, the way they harmonize, man. It's just so crazy. They really make my ears ejaculate. Every time. Oops, I didn't mean to restart. Imagine if you were like trying to get across that bridge. And they're like, nope, you gotta wait a minute. And then there's just a band going fucking ham on that bridge. It's cool that they were able to shut down a whole bridge to record that. Like that's just it's so the whole dynamic of it is just so interesting. And they killed it. Like it's cool that they can sound so similar to like the actual recorded tracks. And they're super entertaining. Like there's nothing they can't do, you know. And really they have the genre on their back, you know, carrying it, keeping people interested because they're that good and that different. That a lot of different people can like their music. You know? That's what's so special about this band. So anyway, let me know what you felt in the comments below. Like and subscribe. I just hit 300 subs. Thank you for that. If you're a sub, I love you very much. You don't have to sub. I'm definitely blessed. Bless this mess, as John would say. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.